Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video I will show you iOS 16 bugs and missing features. Almost all of us have installed iOS 16, but some features like battery percentage, duplicate photos, duplicate contacts are not showing. So let's get started. First, let's look at duplicate contacts. If you have saved the same contact multiple times in the Contacts app, you can merge duplicate contacts by going to Contacts. But many people are not getting the features even after giving iOS 16 update. This is because your phone is updated to new iOS version and your phone is being fully scanned. So this option takes some time to appear. You should keep your phone on charger for some time and stay connected to Wi-Fi. And after some time your problem will be solved. Now we will talk about duplicate photos. There are many reasons why this feature is not available. Basically, this feature analyzes your entire photos. When you go to the library and swipe down, it says photos and videos are created when your device is connected to power. Just plug your phone into the charger and leave it for some time, and it will automatically analyze and show you a separated folder if there are duplicate photos. But if it doesn't detect it again, then you may have to reboot your phone. If it doesn't show even after rebooting the iPhone, then you have to wait for the next update. And now finally we will talk about battery percentage. Many people are still not showing battery percentage after iOS 16 update. If you go to settings and click on battery, there we can see that the battery percentage is not showing. The reason for not showing is that this phone is iPhone 11. Apple has not provided this battery percentage option in some phones. iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 13 mini doesn't show battery percentage. Any model other than these 4 phones models will show this battery percentage. So this was today's video. Hope you like the video. If you like, so don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.